I think the most successful exits are the ones where they are able to kind of maintain a certain level of products, like whether it be the legacy brands that we know today, like Supreme or some of these other ones that have been around since the 90s, right? It's almost like required not to like try to go so big and maintain your profitability year after year. And then it just catches on in its own life cycle. And if you sell out, it's better than keeping stock, right? Should you be selling out versus holding inventory? People don't necessarily talk about this because it's not that entertaining, but it's super crucial. Like if you don't know this, you're not gonna succeed. So I'd love, this is the guy, Jon Phenom's the guy that nerds out about this. I nerd out with him. So let's dive into it, man.
The mentality of the owner of the brand, the operator of the brand, is I'm trying to squeeze every dollar. They're like, yo, I'm just trying to make this money and put it into real estate or something like that. Like if that's your mentality, that's cool. But I would just be very clear about what your outcome is. If there's a possibility of someone purchasing the brand later, I know me personally, I'd be open to it. You also have like more of the crafty Etsy type person, and they're like, I wouldn't sell it. I would rather cut my leg off first. Then cool. I would just say like, be very clear with what your outcome is.